In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create rainbow text in Microsoft Word. We'll start simple and build a clean, colorful result you can reuse in titles, posters, or any document where you want text to pop. Have your document open and some text ready. You can apply this effect to a single letter, a word, or a whole phrase. For the most controlled look, begin with just the first letter. First, highlight the very first letter you want to style. Click and drag over it, or place your cursor just before it, and press Shift plus the right arrow once. You'll know it's selected when the letter is highlighted. Selecting is important because Word only applies text color and effects to what's selected. Next, look at the Home tab in the Font group and find the Font Color button. It's the capital A with a color bar underneath. Click the small arrow to open the color drop-down. If the drop-down is grayed out, make sure your text is still selected. Word hides some options when nothing is chosen. In the drop-down, you'll see standard colors. We want a smooth rainbow blend, so choose Gradient. This tells Word you're not using a single flat color, but a color transition that flows across the letter. From there, choose More Gradient. This opens the Format Text Effects panel on the right. Under Text Fill, select Gradient Fill. You'll see gradient stops along a bar. Each stop controls one color in the blend. Click a stop to select it, then choose a bright hue for that stop. To build a rainbow, add or adjust stops so you have a sequence like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, spaced evenly across the gradient bar. Keep the type on linear and set the direction left to right for a classic horizontal sweep. If the colors look cramped, drag the stops slightly to spread them. You can also tweak transparency if you want a softer finish, but full opacity gives the boldest result. With the first letter looking great, repeat the same approach for the remaining letters or words. Highlight the next letter, open the font color dropdown, pick Gradient, then More Gradient, and apply the same set of stops. For a uniform look, keep the order of colors consistent across each letter. If you want the rainbow to flow continuously across a whole word, you can apply the gradient to the entire word at once instead of letter by letter. When you're done, review your text at 100% zoom to check color balance, then save your document. Enjoy your new rainbow text in Microsoft Word.